Welcome to ebsmauritius.com, your trusted solution for e-invoicing compliance in Mauritius. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with future updates. In this video, we'll guide you through how to integrate ebsmauritius.com with Odoo. ebsmauritius.com works seamlessly with all versions of Odoo, self-hosted, custom and SaaS versions. This flexibility ensures that regardless of your system setup, your invoicing is streamlined and compliant. Now, let's talk about setting up the integration. The first step to using ebsmauritius.com is to follow the normal process of registering your business with the MRA as an economic operator. Our team can help you with this. Once registration is complete, we'll connect your Odoo system to ebsmauritius.com and you can start fiscalizing your invoices right away. Next, let's look at the data required for clients and invoices. When setting up your clients in Odoo, you need to make sure you have the following mandatory information. The client's country, whether the client is a business or an individual, their VAT number which is stored in the tax ID field, their BRN for Mauritian companies which should be entered in the company ID field. For each invoice, you must also include a description of the goods or services provided, quantity, any discounts and taxes. It's crucial that this data is correct. Any errors in the VAT, BRN or country details will cause the MRA to reject the invoice. To help you avoid these issues, we offer initial data cleanup services with our KYC department. Now, let's move on to how you can create an invoice. Whether you are using Odoo for sales, accounting, point-of-sale systems like in restaurants, or even automated modules like inventory and subscriptions, creating an invoice with ebsmauritius.com is simple. Once you generate an invoice in any of these modules, it will be automatically sent to ebsmauritius.com for fiscalization. Within seconds, the system will return the MRA's QR code, confirming that the invoice is compliant and ready for submission. Let's take a closer look at how different Odoo versions handle errors and alerts. If you're using the custom version of Odoo, the system will alert you of any missing or incorrect information before you confirm the invoice. This allows you to fix the issue immediately. Here is how to find and fix errors from MRA. If you open an invoice and realize that there is no QR code, any errors from MRA will be indicated in the invoice notes to the right, or to the bottom if you have any documents attached. In this case, we can see that MRA says the buyer BRN is incorrect. Let's see if we can fix it. Reset the invoice to draft. Then edit the buyer. Let's correct the BRN and save. We can then post the invoice. And the QR code will appear if everything is correct. Note that invoices will be fiscalized in sequence. So if an invoice has an error, all subsequent invoices will not be fiscalized until the error is corrected. This is because MRA expects the invoices to be fiscalized in sequence. If you have several invoices and would like to see which one in the sequence has an error, you can show the checked field. Any errors by MRA will automatically switch the check field so you can see and resolve. such as missing customer data or incorrect invoice details, you can mark the invoice as checked and resubmit it for fiscalization. A quick note about changing invoice statuses. If an invoice has been fiscalized and posted, it cannot be reverted to draft. In custom versions of Odoo, the system prevents this automatically. However, in the SaaS version, if you attempt to revert and repost a fiscalized invoice, it will be ignored, and you'll receive a warning indicating that the invoice has already been posted. Additionally, it's important to ensure that your invoice numbers and credit note number sequences are kept separate, as merging them will result in rejections from the MRA. If you would like to try the integration or use it for training, send us an email at support@ebsmauritius.com. And we will invite your email to our Odoo test company. If you have any questions, please contact our support team at support@ebsmauritius.com. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with future updates. Thank you for watching.